Hello everyone, welcome back. Last time one of my subscribers told me to make a website for students, and to be honest, I have no idea about it. I already make lots of websites, but they are for professionals, not for students. So I try to make a website for college students. That's really a student minimal portfolio website. Moreover, I make it for students, so it's completely free, no copyright. You can fork it from my GitHub, and I'll host it on my GitHub account. And let me know what you need in the comment section. Okay, and thank you for your support. Let's start it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. You can join with us on social media platforms like Telegram, Instagram and Facebook. We are posting every day on there. Hope you like it and see you on the next one.